Welcome to From Glimmer to Delivery, the PM path. Today, we explore the essence of a project. What defines it? How does it transform from an idea to a tangible outcome? Join us as we delve into the journey of project management. Our agenda includes 6 key topics: the spark, defining projects, the why and who, the project manager, human endeavor, and legacy. Each section will provide insights into the multifaceted world of project management. Every project begins with a spark, a fleeting idea or possibility. This initial glimmer is the seed of creation, driven by emotion and vision. It sets the stage for a journey filled with potential and uncertainty. Projects are more than to-do lists. They are dynamic journeys of creativity and transformation. Each project evolves from an idea to reality, presenting challenges and opportunities along the way. Projects can be deeply personal. My grandfather's olive tree symbolizes growth and legacy. It highlights the human element, driven by hope and care, leaving a lasting impact on the world. A project is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product, service, or result. This formal definition captures the essence of projects, emphasizing their distinct and finite nature. Projects are temporary, with clear start and end points. They are special missions, not routine tasks, providing a sense of urgency and focus. This temporariness is crucial for motivation and commitment. No two projects are identical. Each is shaped by its people, context, and challenges. This uniqueness makes projects dynamic and interesting, much like a fingerprint or personal story. Projects deliver tangible and intangible outcomes. They are purposeful creations, aiming to bring something new into existence. The echoes of effort leave a lasting mark on the world. The true driver of any project is the why, the problem it solves, or the joy it brings. This emotional core fuels commitment and creativity, often more than any technical plan. Projects are temporary and unique, while operations are ongoing. Understanding this distinction is crucial for effective resource allocation and management, ensuring both creation and optimization. Stakeholders are the unseen force in projects. Their involvement is crucial for success. Managing their expectations and understanding their needs can significantly impact the project's outcome. Project managers guide the vision through chaos. They balance structure with empathy, navigating constraints and mediating conflicts. It's a role of responsibility and privilege, shaping futures. Every project operates within constraints: scope, time, cost, quality, resources, and risk. Balancing these constraints is a constant challenge, requiring careful management to achieve success. Despite planning, unpredictability is inevitable. Embracing chaos can lead to innovation. Flexibility is key to navigating changes, adapting strategies, and ensuring project success. Projects are human endeavors, flawed and unpredictable. Embracing the messiness of creation is essential. These challenges shape outcomes in meaningful ways, making each project unique. A project is a bridge between imagination and reality. It transforms ideas into tangible outcomes through structured processes and perseverance, turning what if into what is. Projects follow different rhythms. Some are linear and predictable, while others are iterative and adaptive. Understanding these rhythms helps in choosing the right approach for success. Every project teaches through success and failure. These experiences build wisdom and contribute to continuous improvement, shaping better judgment and refining instincts for future endeavors. Completion is not the end. The true success of a project is measured in lasting value and impact. Projects aim to create outcomes that resonate long after they are complete.